Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. Dear students, we have completed the Greedy Fat Old Man, the question answer part, and all the sessions. Now, it is last session, that means session 6. Go to your book, page number 12, session 6. Given below a cover of a toothpaste. First fill in the form, then write a paragraph. Have a look. Name of the product made by, net weight, date of manufacture, expiry date, price and its use. You have to fill in the form. Name of the product. Look at the cover. What will be the name of the product? The name of the product is Colgate Max Fresh. It is made by Colgate Palmolive India Limited. Its net weight is 50 gram. Its date of manufacture is 2/16. That means February 16. And date of expiry is 2/18, that means February 18. Its price is 20 rupees. Use brushing teeth. Complete. Now you have filled the form. Try to write a paragraph about it. What will be the paragraph? The name of the toothpaste is Colgate Max Fresh. It is made by Colgate Palmolive India Limited. Its net weight is 50 gram. It was manufactured in the month of February 2016 and its expiry date is 24 months from the date of manufacturing. It costs 20 rupees. It is used for brushing the teeth. Suppose you have a toothpaste cover, Dabur Red Gel. First, you have to fill in the form. Name of the product, Dabur Red Gel, made by Dabur India Limited. Date of manufacture March 20. Date of expiry March 22. Price 196. Use brushing teeth. Then you have to write a paragraph about the toothpaste. What will be the first sentence? The first sentence will be, the name of the toothpaste is Dabur Red Gel. It is made by Dabur India Limited. Its net weight is 300 gram. Its date of manufacturing is March 20. Its date of expiry is March 22. Its price is 196 and it is used for brushing teeth. Complete. Here you have seen, using the cover of a toothpaste, we could make a paragraph, and we also could understand about the toothpaste. Likewise, we can understand the medicine packet, milk packet, soap packet, etc. We also can make a paragraph using these packets and using the hints. So, writing a paragraph is very easy. Yes or no? Yes. This is all about the class. Thank you so much.